My box presents body parts. This is, these are. Hello, my little friends. I'm Dr. Jack. Today I'm going to teach you how to name the parts of the head and face in English. Let's get started. Head. Head. This is my head. This is my head. Face. Face. This is my face. This is my face. Eyes. Eyes. These are my eyes. These are my eyes. Ears. Ears. These are my ears. These are my ears. Mouth. Mouth. This is my mouth. This is my mouth. Nose. Nose. This is my nose. This is my nose. Hair. Hair. This is my hair. This is my hair. Now I want you to name the parts of the head that you can see on the board. Ready? Go! What is this? Head. Head. What is this? Face. Face. What are these? Eyes. Eyes. What are these? Ears. Ears. What is this? Mouth. Mouth. What is this? Nose. Nose. What is this? Hair. Hair. All right. Our today's lesson is finished. See you next time. Goodbye.